Huida Technology is a national high-tech company dedicated to providing intelligent agricultural equipment and overall solutions. With its headquarters in Heilongjiang, road and manufacturing center in Shanghai, and several branches in Beijing, Nanjing, Hangzhou, Suzhou, Xinjiang, etc. National-level, innovative, specialized, and sophisticated, little giant enterprise. There are more than 600 employees, and road personnel account for 50%. The 2023 year revenue target is 500 million RMB, 20% will be invested on road. Huida Technology combines navigation technology, Internet of Things, artificial intelligence with different kinds of agricultural scenarios. Road covers precision navigation, motion control, visual AI processing, path planning, sowing detection, monitoring technology, intelligent operating system, IoT platform and other dimensions. Now we have 7 product series self-developed, covering the whole process of cultivation, management, and harvesting. Agricultural drone, all components are self-developed. Agricultural machinery navigation system, already used in more than 100 countries and regions. Intelligent irrigation system, an industry-leading product. Terminal monitoring system, and pre-installed intelligent equipment for complete machines, both market shares, the first rank. Agricultural IoT platform series, self-operated unmanned farms, the scale of which is over 1,000 hectare. Continuous research and development investment, cutting-edge technology, and agricultural demand docking, realize the implementation of agricultural robots and unmanned smart farm solutions, and release huge market space. The global layout of Huida Technology provides a strong guarantee for the implementation of partnership multi-category strategies, focusing on agriculture. Join us to step into the whole new stage of information-led, intelligent, sustainable modern agriculture, to promote and implement global agricultural intelligence together.